In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a community on Reddit. Before we get started, it's important to know one key detail. Reddit does not allow you to permanently delete a subreddit or community once it has been created. So, if you're looking for a full delete option, that setting does not currently exist. What you can do instead is clean up the community by removing its content, which is often the closest practical option available. To begin, go to Reddit and make sure you're signed into the account that manages the community you want to work on. Once you're on the Reddit homepage, take a moment to locate the left-hand panel. This is where Reddit usually displays moderation tools and any communities you manage. Under the moderation section on the left panel, click on the community you want to remove content from. This will open that specific community so you can manage what's inside it. If you moderate more than one community, be careful to choose the correct one before making changes, especially if you plan to delete multiple posts. Once you're inside the community, look through the posts that are currently published there. On each post, you'll find a three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click those three dots on the post you want to remove. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click Delete. Repeat this process for any other posts you want to remove from the community. Since Reddit doesn't offer a true community deletion feature, removing posts is one way to make the subreddit inactive or effectively empty. If your goal is to stop using the community, this helps reduce visible content and leaves the space cleared out. As you do this, it's a good idea to move slowly and double check each post before deleting it, because deletions may be difficult or impossible to reverse depending on the situation. Also, remember that deleting posts is not the same as deleting the community itself. The community name and its existence on Reddit will still remain, even if the content inside it has been removed. So to recap, go to Reddit, understand that permanent subreddit deletion is not supported, open your community from the moderation section in the left panel, and then use the three-dot menu on each post to delete the content you no longer want there. That's it. You now know the correct way to handle a Reddit community when you want to remove its content, even though the platform does not let you permanently delete the community itself.